Yes, everyone, and today we will answer some of the world's most difficult, most unanswered questions using AI. Let's go. Number one, what is the meaning of life?
The meaning of life is often debated, but many believe it's about finding purpose, connecting with others, and experiencing joy and growth. Philosophers, like Aristotle, suggest it's about achieving happiness and fulfillment, while others lean on spirituality or personal values. It's deeply personal. What do you think?
Well, I believe in part that it can be personal because each of us will have our own desires and aims in life, whether it be to gain wealth, fame, or to live a simple life and be surrounded by simple things. However, I do believe that there's a higher calling to life, which encompasses, which engenders spirituality, religion, if I may use those broad concepts, and therefore it goes beyond riches, wealth, and whatever goals that we might have in mind. So for me, I would definitely take a spiritual take. Are we alone in the universe?
It's one of the biggest mysteries. While there's no definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life, the sheer size of the universe, with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars and planets, makes it statistically likely that life exists elsewhere. Scientists are still exploring, but what do you think?
Well, based on my faith, my belief system, I will definitely say that there is no life on any other planets as we know the planets to be. I do believe in what we call, let's say, heaven or paradise, if you may, depending on how you translate it. So if you consider that a planet, then certainly there's life elsewhere. But as far as the Earth and other planets are, where we are talking about bodies of stars, then I do not believe that there are other life forms. Number three, what happens after we die?
That's another deeply philosophical and spiritual question. Different cultures and religions have various beliefs about the afterlife, reincarnation, or even nothingness. What's your perspective?
I believe that there is something after life, after death, which is linked again and based on my religious beliefs. What I believe is that there is life with Christ, and of course I could go into details per the Bible, with there being a new earth and us being with Christ, with God, etc. And what is consciousness?
Consciousness is the state of being aware of and able to think about one's own existence, thoughts, and surroundings. It's a complex topic that philosophers, scientists, and researchers are still trying to fully understand. What's your take on it?
That's interesting. I agree in terms of the definition that you just gave, but to add a bit more, another layer, I would say consciousness is really who we are at the core of our being, and it is that essence that makes us aware of what's happening, because our consciousness is our innermost thought or thoughts, and that will be what is behind our every action. So for example, let's say you say something and it angers me, whilst I may not show that, whilst I may not be aware of my being angered, until let's say another occasion where I overreact. It might be like, you might ask, where did that come from? It came from somewhere inside, and it's just that no, I'm just being conscious of it. So my consciousness here would be divided in two parts. The first part is the subconscious, where it perceives all and it feels and knows all in terms of who I am and what I represent. And then when this knowledge is at the forefront, that's when my second level, forefront consciousness, will be like, oh, this is what he's feeling, this is how we'll react. Number 5, what came before the Big Bang?
That's a big question in cosmology. The truth is, we don't have a definitive answer yet. Some theories suggest that our universe could have emerged from a previous state or cycle, while others suggest concepts like a multiverse or quantum fluctuations. It's a topic that continues to be explored.
Okay, that's quite interesting. So for me, before there was nothing, save God. And then he spoke things into being. Yeah.
Your perspective is rooted in your faith, which shapes how you understand the origins of the universe. It's fascinating how different beliefs offer unique explanations. Anything else you'd like to ask?
No, that's it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you liked it. Please leave a comment, subscribe, share, like, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.
Great job. Roman, that was a fun and thought-provoking discussion. Looking forward to the next one.